Welcome students, class 9. We discussed about this class we started surface areas. In previous video we discussed about the surface area of cylinder, right, circular cylinder we started, and we started some examples of 13.2. Yes or no? Now we are continuing exercise 13.2. I am reading example number 8. See, 13.2 example 8. Children, in hot water heating system, there is cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter. Length of cylindrical pipe means we call it height. Height equal to 28 meter. And diameter 5 centimeter. Diameter is given 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. That is what? 0.05 meter. Got it? Find the total radiating surface in the system. Total radiating surface. Surface of pipe. In heating systems, water heating systems, tubes are there, water flows through, and that pipe through which water is flowing is 28 meter long, diameter is 0.05 meter. They are asking total radiating surface means curved surface. So CSA of pipe is asking. CSA equal to what is formula? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Now put the value 2. If you are given value of pi, not given, you put the opposite side. Okay. R radius 0.05 is diameter, so we will divide by 2. Okay. Now height 20. See, 7, 28 cancel. 7, 4, 28. Now again 2 cancel. We got it. 22 multiplied by 4, 88. Multiplied by 0.05. 4 to 8, 4 to 8. Yes or? Now divide by 100. Remove this decimal point. Remove decimal point. 88 divided by 5 upon 100. Okay. Now see, if you can multiply. When divided by 100 divided by 10, don't cancel. We can write decimal very easily. So multiply these only. Upon 100, we got 44 upon 10. That is 4.4 square. Got it? See students, after reading example, what is given, that is very important. What is asked to find, that is very important to understand. And if you understand given and to find, and second thing that from this given and asked, we should know what is formula of the required example. Okay. Now I am taking example number. Say example number 10. See, I am taking example 10. I am taking example 10. In figure 13.12, we have drawn diagram. Okay. You have to see the frame of lampshade. Frame of lampshade. It is to be covered with decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter and height. Okay, we have written margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for holding it. See, margin, if we are decorating by covered paper, we are covering this frame by paper, and it is to be pasted. So see, they are telling margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for holding it over the top and bottom of the frame. So if see students, all of you, if this frame is there, I want to cover by paper, I want to paste that paper, I have to keep some margin. That is 2.5. So height of the required paper is 2.5 more on the top and bottom. Then see, that is what margin. Extra. So extra margin. Therefore, height of the paper required to paste, margin of 2.5 is at the top and margin is 2.5 bottom. So that is extra. So height of the paper which is to be covered is, therefore height of paper, that will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 0.5. 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 at the top, 2.5 at the bottom. So that is equal to 35 centimeter. Got it? Now see, they are asking find how much cloth is required for covering the lamp shade. So how much cloth is required for covering the lamp shade means that is CSA. See, area of cloth that is equal to CSA. Area of cloth equal to CSA, and CSA we know what is CSA formula? 2 pi RH. Put the value of 2. Pi value given, not given, so 2 upon 7. Radius, you are knowing radius 20 centimeter diameter means 20 upon 2, 10 centimeter diameter. Okay, and height known to you 35 centimeter. See, very easily cancelable. See, so multiply 22 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 5. So 20 by the 100. So 2200 square centimeter. So area of cloth required. Got it? Students, please understand what is given. You are given extra margin at the top and bottom. Means 2.5 bottom and top is increasing. So total height is 35 centimeter. Now I will take example number 11. I am reading example 11. See, the student of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorative pen holders in the shape of cylinder with a base using cardboard. See, pen holder is like this. Page is given. We are keeping pens, right? Right. Now see, each pen holder was to be of radius 3 centimeter. Radius equal to radius of pen holder equal to 3 centimeter, right? And height 10.5 centimeter. Okay. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. The Vidyalaya was to supply competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how many competitors? Number of competitors 35. Means what is this 35? Number of pen holders. That is pen holders. So how many pen holders? 35 pen holders. How much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? So they are asking how much cardboard is required. That is the area of cardboard. For 35 pen holders. If area of 35 pen holders required is 35 CSAs plus base. What is area of one cardboard pen holder? Curved surface area plus base. Yes or no? See, now we are ready. Area of cardboard, one cardboard pen holder equal to CSA plus base. Therefore, now see CSA plus base, what is that? 2 by RH plus pi r square. No? So we will write this is of one cardboard pen whatever answer we get, we'll multiply by 35. Therefore, area for 35 penholders. 35 multiplied by this 2 by Rx plus by R square. Okay. Now put the values. 35 multiplied by 2. Are you given value of pi? Not given. Then see 2 2 of R 7. R, what is radius? 3. What is h? 10.5. Okay. Plus I 2 upon 7. What is radius? Radius is 3. 3 square means 9. What it? Now see students, I am taking. See, 22 upon 7 is common. So I can take this side. 22 upon 7 is common. Got it? Now see, 2 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 10.5. Plus 9. Getting? Now see, we have taken 22 upon 7 common. So left 2, 3, 6 multiplied by 10.5 plus 9 is left. I am taking off. Now see, that is equal to, see, 7 and 35 cancel. You got it. 5 multiplied by 22 bracket. Multiply by 6, 6 5 is 30, 6 0 0 plus 3 3, 6 1 6 point plus 9. Okay, see, you are getting it. 5 2, that is 1 1 10, 9 plus 3 12, 72. Now multiply by this one. 72 multiplied by 11. Multiplied by 10, that's 7 9 2 0 square centimeter. This is the area of 35 penholders. This much area is required. Finish. Got it? Children, please watch the video 2 times. See, understand, and write down in notebook. Any problem you come across, you can call me at any time. Right? Remaining examples, you will try your best. Okay? See.